Well, this is kind of an unwieldy stack, and it's also quite heavy. Jambo Rafiki, I'm Elizabeth from Kasiwa82, and I hope you are doing really well. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. It is Friday, so it's time for another Friday Flip video, and as always, the Friday Flip playlist will be linked up above as well as down below. And what I'm doing today is doing a quick overview of all the journals, notebooks, planners that I touched or used in 2020. This is the stack, and I'd love to see yours. So if you have a stack, whether it's a blog post, a video, or an Instagram picture, please link it down below so I can go take a look at it. So I have basically reviewed each one of these groupings individually in my previous Friday flips. I think that there's been 3 or 4 videos kind of talking about the journals that I've used, and I've done flips of them as well as talk about more in detail what I use them for. So in today's video, I wanted to just quickly have all of it in one place, right? So let's just go ahead and start. So the first one is this composition notebook, which I use to basically keep track of things while I'm watching YouTube or other kind of channel information. This is an everyday carry. It's a DIY everyday carry, kind of in a pocket size, or the, what is it called? The notebook size. And I use this one. It stays in my bag, and I use it when I am out and about and I want to do some sketching or take some quick notes. 2020 was kind of a quarantine, stay-at-home kind of year, so didn't really get to crack into that one. These 5... they actually weigh quite a bit, and I love the covers. As I've talked before, these 5 are DIY traveler notebook inserts that I have used as my art journal / sketchbook for 2020. And so I've flipped all of these on my channel except for volume 5, and I will get to do that when I get a moment. But this has been a really fun way to creatively play in something this thick without having to deal with one book this thick. All right, so that's what that is. Let's move some things out of the way here. This one, and I've talked about this before, is my Commonplace book. It's the standard Nanami paper in the A5 size, and I love this one. Again, there's a flip of this on my channel. I do the weeks as memory keeping. And what I did in the last year as well as the year before is, instead of actually using my own notebook where I'm sketching and drawing all the lines out, I basically went ahead and used the Traveler's Factory weeks. And so the first one runs January to June, and the second one runs the second half of the year. These are both completed. I just haven't added the pictures and the covers. So when I do that, I'll flip those as well. I love this one. This is my Traveler's Factory from Tokyo Station, the leather cover. Again, there's a flip on the channel that talks about how I use this. This is one, again, that I touch every single day, and I use it in various ways. So there's a flip of that on my channel. I just love how this is aging and the patina of it. These 2 are work journals that I use. This one goes with me when I'm talking to customers, clients, or in meetings. This one stays at home. Again, there's a flip on my channel that talks about how I use these 2. And last but not least, actually in some ways the most inexpensive stuff that I used this year and I have used consistently over the years have been these composition books. I picked them up for 89 cents. I use them for my morning pages. Some, as I said in my flip of these, some years I use 5. Some years I don't use as much. And 2020 was just one of those strange years. I've only used 3. So these are the 3 that I used in 2020 for morning pages. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. A really quick flip, well, a really quick video talking about all the journals that I actually used in 2020, so you can see them all in one place. And as I said, you can take a look at the links I'll leave up above as well as down below to how it is I use each one of these. And I just love a stack. Who doesn't love a journal stack? These are so fantastic. So as I said earlier, please let me know if you have yours posted somewhere so I can go take a look at. And if you are doing something different in 2021, the playlist I have shows the journals I'll be using in 2021 individually, but I'll do kind of a here's the stack I assume I'm going to be using or I'm planning on using for 2021 coming up soon. So let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.